Ahoy, fellow boaters! Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into practical tips and tricks for handling trash on your boat. Let's be honest, nobody dreams of battling banana peels and rogue coffee grounds while they're out cruising. It's messy, it's smelly, and it's a total buzzkill. So how do you keep the trash monster at bay on a short hop, a charter adventure, or a coastal cruise? 1. The best way to manage garbage is to create less of it in the first place. Reduce what you bring aboard. This is the golden ticket. The less you bring on board, the less you have to wrestle with later. Careful provisioning is your secret weapon. Pro tip: canning your own meats and veggies ahead of time is a game changer. Cardboard and packages. Seriously, ditch the cardboard boxes before you even step foot on the boat. They're space hogs and turn into soggy nightmares. 2. Daily garbage defense. Stink and bug. Warfare garbage throws two major punches: odor and bugs. And in warm climates, these problems go from bad to really bad, fast. Avoid odor and bugs. Airtight containers are your best friend. I often use wide-mouthed jars that are destined for the trash anyway, with tight-fitting lids. Peanut butter, mayonnaise, and jelly jars are perfect. Margarine and yogurt tubs work, but their lids can be less secure. Backup plan. If you don't have a suitable jar, use an old Ziploc bag or bread wrapper. Just ensure it's sealed tightly and free of holes. Sometimes debris can prevent Ziploc bags from sealing properly. Act fast. If you detect a smell or see bugs, act immediately. The problem won't resolve itself. A stinky garbage mess can quickly become a stinky, bug-infested mess. Clean up. After cleaning up any spills, a quick spritz of bug repellent in the trash area can help keep those unwanted guests at bay. 3. Minimize the mess. Volume reduction tactics. Lots of trash is just air. Squashing it saves space. Compacting crushes the volume of your trash, freeing up precious space until you can properly dispose of it. Aluminum cans, plastic bottles, tin cans, go ahead, crush and flatten them. You might only fill one kitchen trash bag every few weeks. Solar cooking. Your scraps. Use solar cookers to bake small amounts of food waste. This can shrink trash volume by up to 80%. If you have a solar cooker, experiment with it. It's a free way to reduce waste and get more use out of your cooker. 4. Discarding your garbage. Finally, you need to dispose of the collected trash. We typically discard our garbage jars with the rest of our trash when we reach a town or anchorage with trash services. Avoid throwing garbage overboard. Some suggest tossing food waste overboard, claiming sea life will consume it or that it's biodegradable. I'm here to tell you, don't do it. Walk any beach near where garbage is discarded into the water, and you'll see the consequences. While you might not see much food, a lot of that garbage ends up on shore or on the ocean bottom just offshore. Fruit peels, especially oranges, are common. I've even seen banana peels while snorkeling on beautiful reefs. Not pleasant. Burning trash in remote areas. If cruising in remote areas, burning trash is an option. Some cruisers even make it a social event, turning it into a beach party. If you choose to burn trash, do it responsibly. Avoid burning plastic and ensure you're not creating more problems than you're solving. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more boating tips and gear reviews. Until next time, smooth sailing.